This is a 2018 Honda Accord. What they did, left the car full brakes a week prior from the customer buying the vehicle. So we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. The way it works, you're going to hit lock on the remote. That arms the system. We also did the bypass, so in case they bust out the keyhole and they turn it, doesn't disable the factory alarm as well. So yeah, the rim theft is huge all over the United States in these Honda Accords. So basically we added that shock sensor so he doesn't have to carry another key remote control if he added an aftermarket alarm system. So I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the rim. Like if you're going to bust out the lug nut locks, I would suggest people to go ahead and get a feel. Don't bank on the one that comes from the dealer, because they only come with a certain amount of keys at the dealer. So if you order one online or you go to an auto parts store, you can, your odds will be a lot better for them to stop anybody from coming with the key and busting out the lug nut lock. Basically, if you bang on the rim, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. And that pretty much the alarm will ring for 3.5 minutes or 4 and it'll reset. So this is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, and it will also protect the whole car as well for any type of window that they break. If they bust out any window, the factory alarm will fire off anywhere bumper to bumper. I'm going to illustrate the keyhole by banging on it. Give the factory alarm a few seconds to actually arm. I'm going to go ahead and fire it off. Go ahead and disable the alarm. This shock sensor add-on is this 2018 Honda Accord was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-387-4365. Thank you for watching this video.